Hello there, and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Hamza Zawali. I'm a career coach, and today we're going to be talking about something really important that sooner or later you have and you will face again. Okay, so this is about your first 3 weeks at a new job. Your first 3 weeks at the new job, they are critical, very important, and we're going to be talking about a few ways today to make sure you nail those first 3 weeks and give you a head start, really put you in a situation of confidence, of empowerment, where you are going to be really successful afterward. It's going to be much easier. Okay, so hopefully let's begin.